Hello, good evening, guys. Today we will learn about very important cycle in biochemistry, which is for 5 marks glycolysis pathway. Here, first glucose will convert into glucose 6 phosphate. Here, hexokinase will occur, and here ATP adenosine triphosphate and adenosine diphosphate will produce as a energy. And next step is glucose 6 phosphate will convert into fructose 6 phosphate. In this process, pre-carbon one carbon atom will come out and phosphoglucose isomerism will occur here in this process. And next, fructose 6 phosphate will convert into fructose 1,6 biphosphate. In this step, adenosine diphosphate and adenosine triphosphate will occur as a energy, and phosphofructokinase will act as a enzyme. And next, fructose 1,6 biphosphate will undergo with aldolase cleavage. Here, aldolase cleavage will act as a dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, and and this will make as a glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase and 1,3 by phosphoglycerate, and this will convert into 3 phosphoglycerate. Here ADP and ATP will occur as an energy byproduct. Here one more step will occur in between this, and that is glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate will convert into 1,3 by phosphoglycerate. In this process, the byproducts are NAD plus and NADH plus H plus activates the phosphate. This process will activate the phosphate, and here comes the first ATP glycolysis. That in that 3 phosphoglycerate will convert into convert into 2 phosphoglycerate. In this process, phosphate will move out one phosphate, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 phosphoglycerate, and this step is called as phosphoglyceromutase, and 2 phosphoglycerate will convert into phospho and pyruvate. In this process activates the phosphate and enolase. Enolase is act as an enzyme, and finally phospho and pyruvate will convert as a pyruvate. In this process, adenosine diphosphate and adenosine triphosphate occur as a energy. Here comes second ATP glycolysis. This step is called as pyruvate kinase, and finally pyruvate will produce carbon dioxide, one carbon dioxide atom, and lactate. This is called aerobic metabolism, and this is lactate dehydrogenase anaerobic metabolism. Here metabolism will occur. This is the process which occurs in pharmacology also. ADME. This is called glycolysis pathway, which is important for 5 marks. And next, metabolic phase of acetyl CoA. This is also important for 1 or 3 mark. In this, acetyl CoA will occur into triphosphate carboxylic acid cycle, and it is it will synthesis the fat acid in the body, and it will synthesis the ketone body in the body, and it will cholesterol synthesis, which is excess in our body. Cholesterol will synthesis by this acetyl CoA, and it will produce a steroid hormone. uh, artificial steroids are uh, not causing that much harm to body, but uh, man-made steroids will cause very harmful to our body. It may cause sometimes death. And acetyl CoA will act as a acetylcholine sometimes, and acetyl CoA will go under the process of acylation of amine sugar and glycoprotein synthesis. This is very important step in biochemistry. Thank you. That's all.